Well, okay, builders, just wanted to get everyone up to date with some challenges I've run into. As you can see right here, this is our center line going straight down the middle of the model. All right, so fast forward to, as soon as we make the finished drone, we are going to have to combine these two sides. We've got to get down inside of here to put that ribbon in, which some of you I'm sure know what I'm talking about. And as we do it, others will catch up. Here's the challenge. I've got to figure out a way as I'm doing that to still connect this. As you can see, I'm going to take that off because that hole I'm talking about is going to be about right here, so I can get down in there with that ribbon to connect the two halves. But I've also got to make sure I have enough to attach that to the top. So that's one thing. Secondly, let me turn some light on here. All right, let's get focused. There we go. In my infinite wisdom was thinking, oh, I can just print these two parts right here, the doors, separately, because they are going to eventually, of course, have to be made separately. But what I failed to do when I printed this, let me flip this up, is I did not leave enough recess right here in order for the door to fit properly. And that isn't going in far enough as well. That's maybe 0.5 millimeter right down there. And I made that mistake both on the front and the rear. So I've just put that tape on there to try to show how that's going to hinge. So what I'm planning on doing is, instead of reprinting this entire thing, I'm going to take a hot knife, cut this out right here, and then get that, basically call it a shelf if you want a recess, put that in, and build it back out. So then that'll be there, and of course fill in this area so that we'll be able to continue on with the project. I'm hoping it's not going to be too major of a thing, but if anyone has any ideas, please let me know. So that's going to be our next project for this. Stay tuned.